Jai Hind everyone. This video is regarding to the GD section, that how to prepare GD without joining any coaching at home. And there are lots of questions arise in our mind that how we can prepare it. We need a group of people to discuss it, and I am alone at the home. Should we join the coaching? If not, then how we can prepare it? So I'll tell you the answer of this question. I'll tell you what exactly I have done, as my name is Swetal Mishra and I have qualified the 2024 Air Force Agniveer batch. My center was Kanpur 3SC. So this video is going to be very crucial for you if you are preparing for the GD section of Agnipath Vayu Agniveer scheme. So listen me very carefully. Firstly, I'll talk about the procedure of GD in brief. If you know the procedure, then skip the few seconds and then you will get your point. So in GD, once you go in the GD room, you will be seated at the semicircle position, and the assessor will sit in the middle of the circle. And after that, they instruct you about the GD, the whole procedure of GD. After that, they will play a voice on a speaker, and you will be provided a two seat. The one is fair and another is rough. And you just have to write the points and the thing which you have listened or observed from the speaker, the voice from the speaker. You just have to write down on your rough copy. After that, they will give you approx 10 minutes to write down your opinion and the thing which you have observed from the topic on your fair copy. And then they will take the fair copy only, they will not take the rough copy, and they will give you some time, and according to the chest number, accordingly to the chest number, and accordingly to the chest number wise, they will give you approx 2 minutes to narrate your topic with your introduction. Okay? They will instruct you to not introduce yourself very much, as minimum as you can. You just have to introduce yourself, and after that you just have to narrate your topic. And once everyone have done it, then you just have to start the GD. They will say that start your GD, and you have to discuss about the topic, and after that your GD will be completed. They will instruct you to go to your earlier room. So this was the whole procedure. Now coming on the main and crucial point, that how I prepared it at home. So I'll tell you guys that I have prepared more than 50 topics, not less than 50 topic or not 100 topic. I just have prepared more than 50 topic, and in which I have learned approx 25 topic. So I have taken the topic from the Sudhir Defense Academy. I am not promoting any channel, I am just telling you what I exactly did. So I have write down the topic from Sudhir Defense Academy and another YouTube channel, and some from the Google, which helped me a lot while my GD section. Believe me guys, you don't know what topic they will give you in your GD section. As my GD topic was first aid treatment, my colleague's topic was Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and one was traffic rule. So you don't know which topic they will give you. It's all about your practice, that how much you practice on yourself. So I'm gonna to tell you what exactly I have done. I'll tell you with one example. For example, there is a topic co-education. So what I did is, firstly I write the paragraph about the co-education on my copy. Then I used to record that paragraph in my own voice in my phone. And after that, I used to listen that recorder of my own voice, and I used to write. I take two pages, one for rough use and another for fair use. And then I used to write the points which I have observed from my own voice. Believe me guys, this will help you very well, because in starting I used to write the whole paragraph which I can listen from my voice. But after that, according to my practice, I realized that if I note down the point wise about the paragraph, this will help me very well, because in GD section, in narration, if you have the point, you can make the line, make the sentence about that point. And if you used to write the whole paragraph, you can't write with the voice, because the speed of the voice is normal, but it is very difficult to write with the voice. And if you write the point only, that will help you in every section, for your fair, for your GD, and for your narration as well. And the most important thing which I have realized during my practice is, as they give you 10 minutes to write the fair copy, but make sure to practice at that much that you can write that only 5 minutes. You just take 5 minutes to write about the topic, and next 5 minutes use to revise that topic, because it will help you while your narration. Because in GD section they judge your narration power very well. They don't judge the fair copy which you write down. They don't judge very well. They judge the narration, your GD speaking, your power of speaking only. So this is the very crucial point, that do not take the whole 10 minutes to write your fair copy. I have realized during my preparation that if I used to take the whole 10 minutes, then I got hesitated while narrating my topic, because I didn't revise even one single time. I'll not get the time to revise it. But if I take the only approx 5 to 6 minutes to write down my fair copy, then I used another 4 minutes or 5 minutes to revise my topic, and that helped me a lot while narrating my topic. Believe me, this will help you very much. Just take 5 minutes to write down your fair copy, and another 5 minutes to revising whatever you have write down in your fair copy. So I did it. If you want whatever topic I did, then I'll provide you in another video. Comment me if you want to know. And after that, so especially for the GD, how to prepare for the GD, we don't have a group of people. So believe me, if you have the power of speaking, if you have the knowledge about the topic, you can speak in the GD. And if you don't have the knowledge, you can't speak in the GD even if you have practiced it. I have realized, as my topic was frustrated treatment, so it was the normal topic. It is not a difficult topic. So I can speak. Everyone can speak about this topic. The most important thing is they will provide you a normal topic. Just see, I know the 3 topics which they gave us: the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, traffic rule, and the frustrated treatment. These 3 topics are not very difficult topic. This is not related to the current affair. So it is not the SSB, it is the Agniveer GD. So you can do it by yourself, and if you have the confidence to speak. And the most important thing is the hesitation of speaking English. I'm not perfect at the English, but I did it by my practice. I'll provide a video that how much time I practiced it. I have made more than 100 of videos of my English speaking while practicing my GD. So this will help me a lot. This helped me a lot. And the main key point of this video is just speak. Whatever you are speaking, just speak in English. Doesn't mean that the grammar, that you are doing the grammar mistake or the error you are doing. Just speak, because they don't judge the grammar section, they just that you are speaking. As I have made another video that don't do the mistake while the GD section, must watch that video, because in that video I just have told you that which mistake we should not done, so that we can easily qualify the GD section. So this is what I have done. I have prepared more than 25 topic by my video, by making the video. For example, as I give you the example of co-education, if you are preparing for the GD, just co-education, read the paragraph, speak it, listen the voice, write down the fair copy, and after that just speak about the paragraph by making the video, and after that listen that, and you will realize the mistake you are doing. So this is what exactly I have done, and I don't know that this video is helpful for you or not, but I can give you one message, that if you want to do it, then you can do it. And if you have any another question regarding this session, then you can comment it, I'll tell you. And if you want this video in Hindi, then I can just make that as well.